What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Discord on your PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Microsoft Store. So to do that we're going to search it into the search bar. And as you can see it's right here, so I'm going to open it. And now what we want to do is to search again for Discord. As you can see, it's the first option that has appeared. So we're gonna click on it and we're going to click on install. And now we have to wait for it to install. After it has been installed, as you can see, we have to open this product from the start menu. So we're going to do that. We're going to click on search bar and we're going to search for Discord. Now we're going to click on it. And as you can see, as simple as this, we just installed Discord on our PC. And now the only thing that we need to do, we have to log in on our account or to register if we don't have one. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.